Hi friends, welcome to Princess of Tech. This is Lakshmi Saroja. In the previous videos, we had discussed about introduction of SQL, DBMS and its types, summary of SQL, installation and how to run queries, aliasing, literals, concat operator, operators, functions. In this video, let's discuss about joins. What is joins? Joins are used to join two or more tables and display them as a single table, or displaying the information from multiple tables at a same time is known as joins. Joins are of different types. First one is equijoin or inner join. Second one non-equijoin. Third one self join. Fourth cross join or Cartesian join. Fifth one outer join. Let's see deeply. First one, equijoin or inner join. For the joining of two or more tables, if we make use of equal to operator, then it is known as equal to join. Whenever we see equal to operator, that belongs to equijoin. Or inner join will display the common information present in both the tables. It will merge the due to of common information. It has two syntax. One is Oracle format and ANSI format. Let's see. In the Oracle format, we will just write a query like select star from emp comma dept, where emp dot dept number. It means inside the emp table dept number equal to dept dot dept number. It means inside the emp table dept number must be equal to department tables dept number. Then it will merge the two tables. It is the Oracle format. Let's see the ANSI format. Select star from emp. In place of comma, here we are writing join. Emp join dept on. In Oracle we will write where. In ANSI format we will use on. Let's say from Oracle to ANSI. emp dot dept number equal to dept dot dept number. Let's see some of the examples. ANSI format and Oracle format. ANSI. Select star from emp. Join dept on emp dot dept number equal to dept dot dept number, where ename equal to Smith. Here Smith information, complete information from emp table and where the department it belongs to. Both will display. In Oracle, select star from emp comma dept, where emp dot dept number equal to dept dot dept number and ename equal to Smith. Here we are giving two conditions to merge the two tables in Oracle format. In this way, by using equal to operator, we will merge the two tables in equijoin or inner join. Let's see what is non-equijoin. For the joining of two or more tables, if we don't make use of the equal to operator, then it is known as non-equijoin. If we use equal to, then it is equijoin. If we don't use equal to, then it is non-equijoin. Let's see the syntax of non-equijoin. Oracle. Select star from emp comma salgrad. Salgrad is also a by default table like emp and dept, where sal between low sal and high sal. It means the salary is between low sal. It has a ranges of low sal and high sal in the salgrad table. In ANSI format, select star from emp. As we discussed earlier, in the place of comma, in ANSI format we will use join. Space salgrad on sal between low sal and high sal. Here we use in place of where. In ANSI format we will use on. It merges the two tables emp and salgrad as output. The next join is self join. Self join is nothing but joining a table again with itself. It is known as self join. In emp table there are employees and managers. So employee number is nothing but manager number. Manager number is equal to employee number. So we are dividing the two tables. It means In employees, employee table is nothing but EMP, and EMP table is divided into MGR. Next, write a syntax. Syntax of Oracle. Select star from EMP space E, comma EMP space M. Why? Because in EMP table we are distinguishing employee table and manager table, where E dot MGR, it means employee table E dot MGR equal to manager table equal to M dot EMP number. Here MGR equal to EMP number, then it displays the continuation which manager it belongs to. I mean, the employee works under which manager, it displays the complete table. In ANSI format, select star from EMP space E, in place of comma here join EMP M on E dot MGR equal to M dot EMP number. It displays the continuation of manager's name. The next join is cross join. For joining of two or more tables, if we don't provide any joining condition, then by default it joins to perform cross join. The syntax of cross join is, in Oracle format, select star from EMP, DEPT. Simply we are not providing any conditions. ANSI format, select star from EMP, cross join. Here we have a cross join keyword in ANSI format, so cross join space DEPT. It performs the cross join. Next join is outer join. Outer join will display inner joins information and left out data from tables. Outer join concept is divided into three types. First one, left outer join. Second one, right outer join. Third one, full outer join. Let's see what is left outer join, what is right outer join, and full outer join. Left outer join. Left outer join will display inner joins information and left out data from left side table. Syntax. Oracle format, select star from EMP, DEPT, where EMP.DEPT equal to DEPT.DEPT number. It is left outer join. So we are giving in the bracket of plus symbol to right side. In the ANSI format, select star from EMP, left outer join. We are simply giving here left outer join DEPT on EMP.DEPT number equal to DEPT.DEPT number. This is the syntax of ANSI. Next join, right outer join. What is right outer join? Let's see. Right outer join will display inner join information and left out data from right side table. Syntax of it. Oracle, select star from EMP, DEPT, where EMP.DEPT number. It is right outer join. So we are placing plus symbol in the left side equal to DEPT.DEPT number. In the ANSI format, select star from EMP, right outer join DEPT on EMP.DEPT number equal to DEPT.DEPT number. It performs the right outer join. Let's see full outer join. It will display inner join information and left out data from both the tables. Full outer join is only possible in ANSI format but not in Oracle. In Oracle theory only explained for this join. There is no syntax for it. Let's see ANSI syntax. Select star from EMP space full outer join DEPT on EMP.DEPT number equal to DEPT.DEPT number. It performs the full outer join. There is another join which is known as natural join. Let's see about it. What is natural join? Natural join is only existing in ANSI format. Natural join works like either inner join or cross join. Syntax. Let's write inner join query. Select star from EMP, natural join space DEPT. It performs like inner join because it has common column name. If it has common column name, it performs inner join. Let's see cross join query. Select star from EMP space natural query, salgrade. It performs like cross join because it doesn't have similar column names. As we see earlier, it has similar column names. In EMP and DEPT, there is a similar column name is DEPT number. In EMP and Algorand, there is no similar column name, so it performs as cross join. See you soon with next upcoming videos.